Hi, my name is Durgesh, and in this particular video, we are going to see the what is a clear difference between the data analysis, data science, machine learning, and the AI. Like most of the people getting confused. For example, they want to learn AI, so they don't know exactly what roadmap they have to follow, or maybe they want to learn data analysis, so they don't know exactly what things they have to learn. So to clear this confusion, I'm creating this video where I'm going to discuss clear difference between data analysis, data science, machine learning, and AI. First, we have data analysis, then data science, then machine learning, then AI. So let me tell you one thing. If you want to become a data analysis, or either you want to become a data analysis or data scientist or AI, whatever, the few things are common in all this technology or in all these things. Let me tell you what, like, or in simple way, we can see the prerequisite you are same. For example, you want to become a data analysis. At that time, you should know Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn. If you know these things, then you can call yourself as a data analysis. Okay? I'm repeating again. What are the technology you should know for the data analysis? Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So these are the things you should know if you want to become a data analysis. Then second thing, if you want to become a data scientist, okay? So in simple word, what you can say, the data analyst is the sub part of the data science. Okay? Let me tell you how. If you want to become a data scientist, at that time, whatever things you have learned in the data analyst, you should know that all things. Plus, or you can say additionally, you should know machine learning, scikit-learn, statics, and SQL. If you know these things, then you can call yourself as a data scientist. I'm repeating again, like, to become a data scientist, whatever technology you have already learned in the data analysis, along with that technology, you should know ML, scikit-learn. ML is nothing but the machine learning, okay? So machine learning, scikit-learn, statics, and SQL. If you know these things, then you can call yourself as a data science, data scientist, okay? Then come to the AI. Okay, then again, if you want to become a AI engineer, or if you want to call yourself as a AI, then what you should know? So again, first you should know data analysis, and then you should know data science. Okay, along with this technology, this data analysis and data science, you should know deep learning, then NLP. Then NLP is nothing but the natural language processing. Okay, then computer vision, then reinforcement learning. So, if you want to call yourself as a AI engineer, then you should know data analysis, data science. Along with these two technology, you should know deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and reinforcement learnings. So, don't be confused. Like most of the people wake up in one morning and they are thinking, let's start learning the machine learning, let's start learning the AI, let's start learning the data analysis or data science. So, in that way, you cannot learn. You have to understand the pattern. Like, first of all, what things you have to learn. So, as I told you, first you should go for the DA. DA is nothing but data analysis. Then DA become the foundation of the data science. Then once you learn the DA and DS, these are become the foundation for the AI. Okay, I hope you guys are clear like what I'm trying to say. So even if you want to learn AI, or if you want to learn the DS, which is data science or data analysis, so you have to understand exactly what technology you should know. I hope you guys are clear. And there is one very good news we can say for both of us, you and for me also. Like, I'm going to create one a complete playlist where we are going to learn from the DA to AI. Okay. So I'm going to cover each and every technology or library, whatever we required from start to end. So there you will get clear idea. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah. Bye.